Shawn Simms was born and raised in Marsh Harbour on the island of Abaco and returned there after he graduated from Langston. Now the home he loves is reduced to rubble. Simms sent me this video driving through what's left of his neighborhood. This was his house, where he and his family rode out the storm.
You hear things popping. They actually get the shingles popping off the house, off the roof. Then you may hear a big pop. That would be a plywood. And now you're thinking, well, I have to get out of here.
They've since evacuated and are staying with friends in Nassau, a smaller island now holding people from both Abaco and Grand Bahama.
You didn't know where to start, because everything is gone.
But they can't stay in Nassau forever, so Simms is looking into moving to other Bahamian islands for the next few years.
Things were getting better and getting better and getting better. And then something like this happens.
Plus, he says the death toll is much higher than the official number, as crews have yet to even assess the poorer parts of the islands or those who were swept away to sea.
You could smell them, because the scent before I left, the scent was already in the air.
He also says help is not coming as quickly as it should be, despite the outside world's efforts.
There was so much red tape that they weren't given the okay to come, or they weren't given the okay to assist.
So Simms advises you to donate directly to locals in need for the most effective result. As Tropical Storm Gabrielle now makes its way towards the Bahamas, we've posted a link on the News 9 app where you can help Simms and his family recover. In the newsroom, Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma's own News 9.